Hello and welcome. Here with I am explaining the theory of optimum population, uh, which is your part of the paper Geography of Population and Human Resource Development for MA first year Geography semester first. The theory of optimum population is also known as the uh, theory of modern theory of the population. It has been developed by various demographers. The statement of the theory is the population which has highest per capita income is known as optimum population. Optimum population means the population which has highest per capita income. Here we are going to understand the theory with the help of diagram. This is the diagram of the optimum population in which OY axis is the per capita income and horizontal axis, that is the size of the population in a particular area or in particular region or country. The horizontal line, that is a S line, is the wages which have the subsistence wages or wages which have required to living the minimum standard of life to any human being or any family. So there are three sections in this diagram. First, that is OA. OA section, that is called as the population is too small to exploit the country's resources with maximum efficiency. Here in the OA, population size is the very high size than the resources. That is why it is called as a underpopulation. And in OC, when the population is too large and the efficiency falls to give only subsistence income to the labor forces. In the OC condition, the population size is very high than the available resources. That is why it is called as the overpopulation. So OA is a underpopulation and OC is the overpopulation, and B is the ideal line or the optimum population in which the wages are at its highest level and resources and the population size are the equal. In other words, the population size of any area is equal to the available resources. This is called as a optimum population size. Thank you.